Shift is a week-long programme with 60 participants, 20 from each institution, coming together to create their own entrepreneurial journey.
I think my main worries are if people would support the work that I'm doing, because it is very cutthroat at times.
Making an income out of it, that's definitely the biggest strain and the biggest worry I have.
I get quite intimidated when I think about all that messy tax-related stuff. I'm so used to just looking after myself that the idea of looking after something bigger is quite scary.
The Scottish Government and the Scottish Funding Council are very keen that universities collaborate and share best practice.
Bringing the three institutions together has made the participants collaborate cross-discipline, which they won't have had that many chances to do before.
Doing it with peers, doing it in a language that's accessible, these can be so boring, but because they haven't been to loads of training things yet, they don't know how much work goes into making them interactive and engaging, and the ability to learn and be open is so much greater because of that.
We've designed the programme to be a kind of progressive journey.
Some of the sessions are very active and creative and people are on their feet and brainstorming together. Others are much more about hearing from an expert and hearing how they've done what they've done.
So when the creative understands what kind of business they want to develop and plan for, then that helps them kind of interact with all of the support structures that exist, and it makes them more confident about the different aspects of what business administration is.
I think it's so useful for creative people because they're very creative and visual thinkers, but a lot of the times you need those business skills and mapping skills and be able to organise your creativity in a way that's productive.
I feel more confident now. It's helped clarify what I do know and what I don't know, so now I feel like I can go away and fill the gaps.
I would just give them like an into the business side of the industry, which we don't really get taught. We kind of graduate drama school and then just go straight into the industry. It'll make you understand the kind of business you want to open and if it can happen.
And as unique as we all are, core business skills apply to everything. I hope programs like this continue to be funded because I think they're integral to creative people learning the skills to have sustainable businesses and thus continue in the ecosystem.